This time, we make a simple cushion cover for a camper van. No zipper needed. First, measure the foam. Measure the width, the length, and the height of the edges. Cut the fabric. Place it on the foam to check the fit. Secure the fabric along the edges with pins. Mark the corners with a straight line. Pin them in place. Place the right sides of the fabric together. Sew the corners along the marked line. At the end, sew slightly inward. This prevents empty, pointy corners. Trim the fabric to 1 centimeter along the seam. Cut a small notch in the tip. This helps the fabric lay flat. Fit the fabric over the foam. Cut the second piece of fabric. Place it on the foam. I will show you how to attach the top panel. Mark the opening where the foam will go in. This part stays open. It will be closed by hand later. Mark the center on all sides of the fabric. Pin the 2 fabric pieces together. The center markings should match. Sew at 1 centimeter from the edge. Start at the marked opening. Check the corner. Open the seam. Stop when your needle is exactly in the center of the seam. Turn the fabric. Continue sewing. Next corner, sew up to 1 centimeter. Open the seam. When the needle is in the center, turn the fabric and continue sewing. I will show it one more time. The fabric is dark, so I hope it is clear. Sew until the marked opening. Fit the cushion cover. Align the seams so they run straight. The corners should look tight and clean. Now close the opening. Fold both sides of the fabric 1 centimeter inward. Secure with pins. Because my fabric is thin, I use a normal needle and thread. You can also use a curved needle with upholstery thread. Make stitches of about 1 centimetre. The thread goes below and comes out in the middle of the stitch, then above, again in the middle. This is called a blind stitch, also known as a slip stitch. After a few stitches, pull the thread, the fabric closes and the thread disappears. I will also show you how to fasten off the thread and hide it inside the seam. And this is the final result. Until the next video. Ma.